based on spreading seeds. So आज हम बात करेंगे spreading seeds के बारे में. So plants, basically plants. So plants grow up and they produce seed in themselves. क्योंकि plants भी seed से ही आया ना, seed से ही वो grow करते हैं, and then what happen, they also produce seed in themselves. And before में जो seed produce कर लेते हैं, first of all वो सीड जो प्रोड्यूस होता है उनके अंदर, देन दे हैव टू स्प्रेड इट अप. इफ दे डोंट स्प्रेड इट अप, न्यू प्लांट्स विल नेवर ग्रो. सो बेसिकली देयर विल बी अ पैरेंट प्लांट. There is a parent plant and it will produce a seed in its parts. There are parts of the female parent plant which produce seeds. So that seed, what happens, that seed will have to go out of that plant so that it can spread up and spread more plants can grow. Plants are not grow only because humans plant them, but they also grow because of many reasons. Many of the reasons are there because of the growing of the plants. So what happens actually? Parent plant, it will produce a seed. Of course, a seed will be produced by a parent plant, female parent plant, and then what happens? That parent plant they have the responsibility to give away the seeds to the ground, to the nature or the ground, to other places. Like suppose there is a plant over here, it have to spread up the seed in its own area so that more plants can grow and more plants can spread more seeds. Like that, the cycle of their whole plant life is continuing. So the agents of the plant seeds are many, like animals, wind, sticky seeds are some there, explosions, or humans, of course humans. Like that, many things are there. So what are these seeds? Seeds contain everything needed to form a new plant. Seed have everything. Like a plant, how much a plant needs itself, like water, it needs food. So seed have that whole structural part in itself. To do that, they need to be separated away from the parent plant to a new place on the soil where they can grow. So they have to go to a separate place, a saturated place, so that they can grow in that particular place, in that particular soil, and they can grow as a good and lovely plant. So what they are, different types of plants have different ways to spread their seeds. So one plant do a way of giving out the seeds. One plant have another way to give out the seeds. Like that, different plants have different ways to give out the seeds. So there are some need animals to move the seeds, while some need plants, some need wind to move out the seeds. Even fire secreted them. Even fire, they need fire to secrete them. How? This is the topic of discussion we are going to do. So, seed. Basically, it has all the things which a plant need to grow. It need a place to go and it need a soil to grow firmly. A new plant can grow in it. So, what does that ways to give out the seed? First thing, blown in the wind. So, you can see the seeds can be blown in the wind. But how? Some plants have very little very light, actually not little, very light seeds, and so can use the wind to to spread them. So some plants have very light seeds, means lighter in weight. It is not heavy, it is very light. So what happens when wind comes, a very heavy wind comes, that seeds are blown away from that particular parent plant. Likewise, there are many plants like dandelion, if you see, has seeds with tiny parachutes. So they have seeds with tiny parachutes. If you have seen a parachute, something like that, it comes. So it has something like this type of seeds they have. So their dandelion seeds, what happens? They flew away with that tiny parachute, and they carry away with the wind blown. So this, suppose there's a dandelion. Suppose the dandelion seed is there in the particular parent plant. Suppose this is the base of the parent plant. If the wind comes, what happens? That particular seed will fly away because that is lighter in weight rather than other plant seeds. Next is tasty treats. Okay, tasty treats. What do you mean by tasty treats? It means many plants have seeds and that are hidden inside the tasty fruits. So many plants have seeds hidden in tasty fruits. Tasty fruits such as berries. If you have seen the berries, like a red colored thing, if a red colored thing they will have, and the seeds are passed through the body unharmed. They are not harmed and released in its dropping. So what happens while an animal comes and eats that fruit, what happens, that seed are swallowed or they are left in the mouth, and when they are undamaged, and they will release it when they are dropped. They will be released when they drop. So the seed will be released when the animal or particular bird, I'm talking of a bird, drops them, and they will be undamaged. The seed will be undamaged. Now, exploiting pots. So Himalayan balsam. So the Himalayan balsam, balsam plant keeps the seed in the pots. So pots, in the sense, they will be like this. The seed will be, suppose this is the seed and the plant is like this. It will be over here. And what happens when they ripe? Actually, these pods, when they ripe, these pods explode. When they ripe. Means when the plant really means have a seed in itself, what happens? They will burst out like this, and the seed will spread out in the soil like this. The pods will be burst when the plant is wholly ripe. The seed is wholly ripe. The plant will burst. The pods will burst like this. Now next thing is sticky seeds. Sticky seeds is a very much a common thing common thing we have seen. So animals can carry seeds away from plants keeps its seed away from plants without even realizing. Can you imagine a particular animal is taking away the seeds? It is acting as a carrier, and it cannot feel the seeds also because they're so light. The seeds, actually what happened, the sticky seeds, some plants have sticky seeds. They actually attach to their bodies and fixed on different parts of their bodies, while some on the seeds while some seeds called birds have little hooks. So some seeds like birds, called as birds, have little hooks up like hooks. What they do with that little hooks? They have a little hooks. They attach the animal fur. So that particular animal never realized that he like that is a carrier of a particular plant seed, and because they're light in weight, I think they will be larger in color because they will be in different parts of the animal and different part of the body. They will the sticky seeds will stick in the animal's body, and some plants, like some seeds called birds have hooks and they attach to that particular animal's body or fur. So this was about all spreading seeds, and I want to say you about the fact about this video. That is the heaviest seed in the world is double coconut. In the world is the double coconut. If you see in a coconut, it's a seed. So double coconut is a seed. Is a double coconut. So it weighs around up to 30 kg. It weighs around 30 kg. The heaviest seed in the world is the double coconut. It's very heavy, 30 kg. It's almost heavier than something. If you have seen a double coconut, if you have. So this was a whole video about. Hope you liked the video well. Please do like, comment and share. My videos contain some of the studious parts and some of the fun parts. Please go and watch my channel. It has all the sorts of things you need to see. And of course, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, I will take a leave. Thank you for watching and bye.